Enhance your electronic devices with the Vero Electronics ICS9 3000. 865K Extender Eurocard, offering seamless connectivity and optimal performance for your equipment. Unlock the full potential of your electronics with the Vero Electronics ICS9 3000. 865. The product offers seamless connectivity, ensuring uninterrupted interaction. It guarantees optimal performance for efficient functionality and boasts a high-quality design, reflecting superior craftsmanship and aesthetic appeal. This product offers seamless connectivity, ensuring uninterrupted interactions, optimal performance for efficient operations, and a high-quality design that combines aesthetics with functionality. This high-quality component ensures seamless connectivity across various electronic equipment. Designed for optimal performance, the Vero Extender Eurocard elevates your device capabilities, providing reliability and efficiency. Model 732591 offers an overview of its key specifications and device compatibility. It provides detailed information on its features, ensuring seamless integration with various devices. Experience uninterrupted performance and elevate your electronic solutions with the Vero Extender, designed to keep your devices seamlessly connected and functioning at their best. The Vero Extender Eurocard is pivotal for effortless device integration. It ensures seamless communication between electronic devices, optimizing their functionality. The Vero Extender, designed to maintain seamless connectivity and peak device performance. Thank you for exploring Vero Extender Eurocard.